Hi there, this is Maths with Angela doing a bit on functions, which is usually on the higher paper. So what I'm going to do with you now is I'm going to do these harder questions here, which are compound functions. So you're putting one inside the other. So this is saying put h into g. Okay, so everywhere you see x in g, you're going to write all of this for h. So you end up with a long multiplication that you have to kind of simplify. So let's have a go at the first one, and then I'll let you have a go at b. Okay, which is the other way round, put g into h. Okay, so here we go. So we write out g. So we've got minus 2 over, and then I've got 2, and then I'm going to put a bracket because that's where my h is going in for here. So that's 2x minus 3 plus 5. And then wherever we can simplify this, we do. So we've got minus 2 over, and then we're going to multiply this out, so I end up with 4x, and then we're going to multiply this, minus 6 plus 5. And then we're going to simplify it for the final time. So we've got minus 2, 4x. Combine these two, you end up with minus 1. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful and you can have a go at b. Right, inverse functions where it's got f to the minus 1. There are many different ways of doing this. Some people use function machines and then go backwards. I've seen lots of different ways. I'm going to do it where I'm changing the subject. So I'm going to rewrite f of x for y equals, and then the rest of it stays the same. Okay, so to find the inverse function, you need to change the subject so x equals. So you're using your inversed calculations, yeah, to get everything over to the other side. So you will multiply by 5, so you end up with 5y equals 2 plus x. Okay, and then you will undo this plus 2 by minusing 2, so you end up with 5y minus 2 equals x. Okay, and that means f to the minus 1 x is, and we rewrite it as an x, not as a y, 5x minus 2. Okay, so I hope that's helpful and you can have a go at the other inverse functions. When it's got a number and they want to know what the value is, so if there's a number here instead of the x, it's asking for what the value of this is. So f to the minus 1 x is this, minus 2. But if I want to know f to the minus 7, to the 7, I would put 7 in, so it'd be 5 times 7 minus 2. Okay, so it'd be 35 minus the 2 is 33. Okay, so you can have a similar go with putting 10 in. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful and you can have a go at the rest of the questions. Bye.